Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to unbox new Yeelight strap which I bought in the aliexpress.in. You can buy the product through the link in the description below. Before getting unbox this product, I'm going to say what's the use of this product. You can use this product for your PC setups, for your desk setups to look like this, and for your TVs and for your home decoration, all the things. You can do all these things with your local strap or local RBG straps which will be available in your local stores, but you cannot control those straps with this Wi-Fi network. You can control this strap with the Wi-Fi control networks through the app. There are really some special features, color flowing like this, and color changing options, and some recommended features are there in that, and I'm going to show that features in this video. Let's get unboxing this product. You're watching FDT. This is Suresh. Unbox it is made with the plain color and backside some information in the Chinese language. And let me open the box. In the box, Yeelight user manual is provided, and there are some user information how to connect to the Wi-Fi or to the app. Unfortunately, all the informations are provided in the Chinese language. This is the Yeelight LED strap of 2 meters. And let's see what's inside the box. This is the strap controller, and it acts as an on-off button. This is a resetter for connecting to the Wi-Fi. And this is a charger of US plug, and you need to buy the Indian UU plug from the same seller if you want. Let me show you how it looks when it is attached to the desk. I had attached all the strap to my desk, backside of my desk. I had turned on my switch. When it is turned on the switch, the red light gets pinged up and it shows that it is in the pairing mode. Let us open the app. You can download the app from the Play Store. The name is Yeelight. Login. You need to choose the mainland China because I had bought the product from the China itself. You need to choose the China must and should. If you choose the other country, you cannot connect to the device. You need to log into the MI account or into the Facebook account. It is must and should. Let's add the device. I had logged into my MI account. We are looking for the LED Yeelight strap. That's the strap. Go to the next. Make sure that the device is correctly connected. All the things. Next. Allow. That's the device we are looking for. Name. Just click on it. Next. You need to connect the Wi-Fi network for your Yeelight strap in order to control. This is the Yeelight strap. When the device got connected to the app, it gets into the blue light mode. I had turned on the Yeelight. See, look, the light got turned up. Let's go into the app. These are some recommended features by the company itself. You can see it in the Yeelight app. This is sunrise app. When you click on that, it gets into the sunrise mode. And there are still some special features: sunset. The color mode will be, and there will be a change in the interface between the lights. Let me turn off my light. This is how it looks in the night mode when there is no light. And this is a flash notifying. It notifies the flashlight for 5 seconds, and this is a candle flicker. The lights get flickered up for light colors, and there is a romance mode and dating night. And you can also use this brightness controlling. You can control the full brightness from 0 to 100. It's better to use to the 0 or around 20 to 30. This is the white mode. You can use the temperature of the color, light. This is a color mode where you can set a 3 million colors of different colors by dragging the icon. Yesterday itself I had got a new firmware update of color flowing. Actually first there was a 3 modes of color and white and recommended things, and yesterday I had got a new feature of color flowing where the different colors will be flowing. In this mode you can change the speed of the color flowing, and also you can control the brightness of this color flowing. Overall, the build quality and the color correction of this strap was really good, and I had not found any issues of this connectivity, and the responsive rate between the app and the Yeelight was really good. If you're looking for the RBG LED straps of some kind of a smartness, then go for this strap. So this is all for this video, guys. If you like this video, hit on thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.